Hello friends, welcome to the Photoshop tips and tricks. Let me show you how to make transparent apple in Photoshop. Let's start. At first select the layer. Unhide this. Select Object Selection tool. Then choose Lasso mode. Now select the object in the scene. OK, this is selected. Press Ctrl J to make a copy. Rename it Apple. And rename this to Shadow. Right-click on this thumbnail, and select Pixels. Hide this for now. Select the shadow. Then hold Alt and click here to add a mask on the layer. Then change the mode to Multiply. OK, there is only the shadow. Unhide this layer and select it. Change the mode to Hard Light. Now duplicate it once again, and change the mode to Soft Light. Right-click on the layer, and choose Create Clipping Mask. Click on Adjustments, and add black and white. Click here to clip to layer. Come back to Layer panel. And it's the adjustment layer that makes it transparent. Select all these layers by holding Shift on the keyboard. Then group them. And this is done. Hope you liked it. Please follow me for more effective and educational videos. Thanks for watching.